This time, I built the ultimate ride. Juice powered, armor-plated, and smash-ready. Make sure it's fast. Last time, Messi Jr. rained bananas on us. This truck eats bananas for breakfast. Target locked. Watermelon beast spotted. Let's fly, Dad. Engines, go banana mode. No mercy this time. They're making it slippery. Asterisk, asterisk, there. You think seeds can stop a banana storm? We're going airborne. Let's squash that banana bird. We call that a fruity draw. Next time, watermelon jet. Let's see you fly then. You bring juice, we bring peel. Game on. Banana boys.